We've already installed Drupal on our local computer, that is our desktop or laptop. Now we're going to install it on a remote computer, that is a server from which other people would be able to see your site. I have to warn you that this is more difficult than installing it on your local computer, and in fact there are myriad ways that it can be done. I'm going to show you two. In this video, I'll show you how to do it using an FTP program. In another video, I'll show you how to do it using an SSH program, which is a command line interface. I've already set up where I'm going to put my site. This is on a host called webenabled.net, although you could use whatever web host you like. I've also set up a site where it's going to go. It's at this 2trs.dev3.webenabled.net. And if we click there, we see there's just a simple page there right now. The FTP program I'm going to use is called FileZilla. You can download it yourself at filezilla-project.org, or you can use any other FTP program you like. They all have different interfaces though, so what you see here will only work with FileZilla. The program you use will probably have similar features, although they'll be located in different places. Our next step is to grab the Drupal software from Drupal.org, and you can get that at drupal.org/project/Drupal. Some FTP programs let you transfer directly from Drupal.org to wherever you're hosting your site, but not everyone will let you do that. So I'm going to download it to our local computer, uncompress it there, and then re-upload it to our remote server. Once we're at the Drupal.org site, we scroll down until we get to the Downloads area. Now I'm recording this video before the official release of 7.0, so I'll actually grab the one that's down here in the yellow area. If it's been released by the time you're watching this video, you'll find it up here in the green area. In any case, you want to grab the most recent version. To download it, I click Download, and the file goes to my default download location. Once you've downloaded it, you'll have to uncompress the file. On the Mac, it's fairly easy to do. You simply double-click it. On Windows, you'll need a help program, such as WinZip or 7-Zip. You can download WinZip at winzip.com, and 7-Zip is available at 7-zip.org. But we have it already decompressed here, and we also have FileZilla already running. I'll now connect to my remote server. I've already set up all of the details here, so all I have to do is click Connect. And there we are. Once you're on your remote server, you might find that it's not completely obvious where your website goes. One common place is in a folder called Public HTML. That sometimes also has aliases with names such as www. In any case, if you have any problems at this point, speak with your web host. When I open up that folder, I see that there's another folder inside it with the name of my site, 2trees. In there is an index.html file. This index.html page is what we went to earlier, as you can see here. We're going to get rid of that. So in FileZilla, I highlight that and the logo, right-click, and choose Delete. Incidentally, FileZilla is available for both Mac and PC, and if you're on Mac, you would hold down the Control key while you clicked. Now we'll move all of our Drupal files that are on our local computer over to our remote computer. First, we'll navigate to that folder. I see we're actually already there. I then select everything that's inside this folder, but I have a warning. You have to make sure that all of the .dot files are showing. If you don't see a file .htaccess, then you don't have them all showing. I highlight everything except for this double dot at the top, which is a special control file, and I drag them over. I do want to mention this isn't the only way to do it. If your FTP program allows you to uncompress files right on your remote server, the best way to do it is to transfer it directly from Drupal.org and then uncompress it on the server. Unfortunately, that's not possible here, so this is a slightly more complex way that still works. This process takes a while. The Drupal software isn't large, but it contains many files, and the FTP process looks at each individual file. Down here you can see how many files have been transferred and how many are still waiting. There, the files are all transferred. Now if we go back to our site and reload the page, we see Drupal's initial installation screen, and I'll show you how to get through the installation in a later video. So that's one way of installing Drupal on a remote server, and again, there are many variations even within FTP programs. Personally, I prefer to use a command line program such as SSH, and you'll learn how to do that in another video. I find that the process is quicker and more foolproof. However, not every web host allows you to use an SSH program, so if you can't, or if you prefer to use a graphic interface, FTP is a good second method.